Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use domain overview on semrush. You know semrush is a keyword research tool you can use right now. So this link I will attach in description below for easy access. First of all you need to log in here, then go to domain overview. When you click on domain overview, when you join this tool you got 10 charges for free every day. So just paste your targeted website address. So I type my targeted website address. This is a domain score 73. This is a good. Then organic charge traffic 5.9 of millions of people. Backlink are 10 millions. So most of the traffic from USA, India and Bangladesh. So I want to scroll down, then top organic keywords. You can find out everything for this website using this tool. You can see these 365 days movie reviews and etc movie here, and perform this really well. Main organic competitor, you can recharge this action, advertising and main everything here. This is a backlink, United States government website, blog post. Here are the lots of referring domain, IP, backlink and top anchor, index page, everything here. So just click on compare domain section, growth report, everything here are available. So if you have found this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe this channel for the next video. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.